Alright guys, this is the follow-up video. I know the camera might be a little shaky, but to my Galaxy Note 9 video. This is the free Samsung TV that you get at Best Buy with the purchase of the Galaxy Note 9. I don't know if it's a Verizon exclusive, but I know you get it at Best Buy, so like if you have questions about that, you might want to ask the people at Best Buy. But I was just gonna unbox this so you can take a look at it and see what it is. It's not really anything special, just a 32-inch TV. It is HD TV, Samsung, which is to pair it with the new phone. But everything else is just a basic normal TV. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. So I got my trusty knife here. I'll start it over here. Hopefully it just pops right out. So it looks like the remote, no, that's the legs. These are the legs. Quick setup guide, which we don't need that. Power brick. Throw that aside. All that stuff aside. Take this out. So yeah, it's just basically sitting in there, so I should be able to pull it out nice and easy. That is the remote and the rest of the power cord. You get 2 batteries, basic quick start guide, another one, and user manual. Throw that aside, and hopefully this slides right out of here. Yes, it does. So I will set that. So yeah, that's basic look at it. I don't really want to assemble it, but I'm going to take all this off so you can look at it. I can give you a reference as to how big this is compared to another TV. So hopefully it doesn't fall over. But that is a 40 behind it. It's a 43-inch TV, so you can kind of see the difference in size. Like it's a pretty small TV based on the standards that we have today for TVs. But yeah, that's it. That's the free Samsung TV that you get with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, I might be doing some more unboxings. So go ahead and give me a follow if you want to see some of those. But again, thanks for watching, and